Studying is hard, painful and often lonely. That's why I built Noko, the Duolingo for studying. I know how frustrating studying can feel because I've been through a bachelor's, a master's and am now doing my PhD, so you could say I've had my fair share of learning time. Noko is the app I wish I had many years ago, so let me show you how it works. So there's the first screen that you will see inside of Noko with your recent awards and your friend activity. Then you can just go into Start Studying, set your work duration, and in this case I'll just do 1 minute. You can set your break duration and how many rounds you want to do. You can of course also select which topic you want to study and you can just start studying. And this just starts a simple Pomodoro timer with the settings that you specified, and you also have some lo-fi music playing in the background. Now every once in a while your study buddy will send you a motivational message at the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions while studying, you can always open up the buddy chat and ask a question like how many sides does a triangle have? And then your buddy will reply in its own personality, and this is of course powered through the Google Gemini API. Let's briefly wait until the timer finishes so we can see the reward screen. And with our study session now coming to an end, your buddy will quickly think of a reward message to tell you, so slow and steady, that minute was a valuable step. Now of course in a real Pomodoro session you will get more XP as your session was longer, and here you can already see the Pro XP, which is a paid feature. You could then share this to your friends or just continue out of the study session. You do have a friends list with whom you can compete on this leaderboard, and in the future there will of course be more friends features. Friends can just be added via their name and a short ID. There is a session history tab, and there is also the profile tab with your XP, your current streak, today's progress and this week's progress, as well as your recent awards. And as you've seen, AI can actually be used for good, as in these study buddies. And of course, everything inside of the app is monetized via RevenueCat. Most of the app is free, but a feature like Buddy Chat is monetized via RevenueCat through subscriptions, of course. I actually almost didn't submit Noko for Shipaton because I had a 10-day wait for app review. This gave me a head start for marketing though. So I've been posting on social media, and I've started with devlogs on TikTok, Instagram Reels and also YouTube Shorts. Those total to over 35 pieces of content up until the release day of the app, and I've of course continued posting, and this is the first slideshow that I posted on TikTok that already gained over 130 likes without even touching 1,000 views. So let's talk post-launch stats, and I've only got 5 days of data so far because the launch has been so delayed, but it already looks pretty good with a pretty high conversion rate. But of course impressions and total downloads are low for just 5 days without any major press coverage. I'm of course still posting daily on the socials, and I'm also running Apple search ads now. I've got some future plans for Noko, including expanding beyond a Pomodoro timer, so I'd like to add AI flashcards and AI summarization and recordings. I also want to expand Buddy Chat to voice through, for example, 11 Labs Flash models. And I'd also like to add gems as a virtual currency through RevenueCat as well. And that's how I'm building Noko, the Duolingo for studying.